period G, class 7, unit number 20, preposition. In unit 19, we also discussed about the preposition. This is the more further details of the preposition we have to discuss in this chapter number 20, preposition. Prepositions movement and direction. We have to understand in this chapter preposition in the meaning of movement and the direction. In the meaning of movement and the direction. Prepositions of movement and direction. Our first topic is preposition of movement and direction. Our first topic is prepositions of movement and direction. We use the prepositions of movement and direction where we use the movement and direction of the preposition to talk about the people or object. About who? About the people or object moving from one place to another. Moving from one place to another. Please note down the definition. We use preposition of movement and direction to talk about people or thing moving from one place to another. The people and object are moving condition in this sentence, in this type of sentence. Again I did once. We use prepositions of movement where we use it direction to talk about people and object moving from one place to another. Example, we climb up the steps to go to the floor above. Climb up. Your situation is continue, moving from one steps to another. Minnie reached the bus stop. Underline the word above. Please children take out the pencil also and underline the word above. Minnie reached the bus stop. In the second sentence, no preposition used, so we take no use of that sentence. John got up the bike in hurry. Off is the preposition. Please underline the off. Sam walked from his house. From where? From his house to bazaar to get some notebooks. From is the preposition. The moving situation is there. In the sentence, moving situation is used. The thief ran through the gate and rushed into the crowd. The thief ran through the gate and rushed into the crowd. Into. Now look at the picture. Now look at the picture. First pictures. The cat jumped off the chair. Off. Underline the word off. The cat leave the place and its condition is moving. The cat walked through the door. It passing from there. From the door. It pass. The cat, underline the word through. Underline the word through. The cat fell into the puddle. Preposition is into. The cat ran towards the kitten. The preposition is towards. Preposition is towards. Again, write down this, children. First of all, write down this in your notebook. Then we will write some example of the preposition of movements and direction. Please note down this. Example. Above is preposition, underline it. We climb up the step to go to the floor above. Meaning, leave the bus stop and saw a bus this sentence is no use of the preposition in this sentence, so don't write it. Please log it. Second is John got off by in hurry. Off is preposition. Sam walked from his house to bazaar. To get some notebook. To get some notebook. First is we climb up the step. We climb up the step to go to the floor above. Second is John. Above is the preposition. John got up the bike in hurry. Off is the preposition. Sam walked from his house to bazaar to get some notebook. From is the preposition. Please children note down this. Number 4, the thief ran through the gate. The thief ran through the and rushed into crowd. Rushed into the crowd. Note down this. The thief ran through the gate and rushed into the crowd. Into is the preposition. In the preposition of movement and the direction, the word which is preposition shows the movement and the direction of people or object, of people, animal or object. Again, look at the picture. The cat jumped off the chair. The cat leave the place. The cat leave the place. The movement is going on. So jumped off. Off is the preposition. The cat walked through the door. It passing from there. So through is the direction and the movement is continue. So through is the preposition. The cat fell into the puddle. Into is the preposition. The cat run towards the kitten. Towards is the preposition. Now we will move on to the exercise. First exercise is focus. Tick the correct answer. Exercise A. Tick the correct answer. First line of the sentence is, first line of a sentence, Larry said he would wait for us in the station. Larry said, the second sentence is, Larry said he would wait for us at the station. The true sentence is the second because at is the right preposition. In is a wrong preposition. So first sentence is wrong. The answer is second sentence. The answer is second sentence. Larry said answer is second sentence. Larry said he would wait for us at the station. Underline the word at. Second sentence, the train goes from the Cuttack to Bhubaneswar. The train goes into Cuttack into Bhubaneswar. Into is a wrong preposition used in the second sentence. The first sentence is right. The train goes from Cuttack to Bhubaneswar. The train goes from Cuttack to is preposition. Bhubaneswar. Two is the right answer. Third, the driver jumped from a height of 15 feet. And in the second line, the driver jumped from the height of 15 feet. There is only spelling difference, but the first sentence is the right and the correct word is OF, and F is once used only. Of. Jumped from OF of, only one F is written, 15 feet. Underline the word of. Children, please note down this. Sentence 4. We decided to go Madhya Pradesh in December. We decided to go into the Madhya Pradesh in December. Into, the sentence is wrong because of into. The first sentence is right. We decided to go Madhya Pradesh in December. We decided fifth sentence, don't lean against the fence. Don't lean into the fence. So the first one is right, tick mark it. Don't lean against the fence. Don't lean against the fence. Children, now it is bye-bye time. We will discuss the another chapter in the another period. Please note down this and write down the homework also. Practice and extension page number 77 in homework. Please note down this.